Oh, hello there. So we are back with Zoom meeting plugin. Now I'll show you how to get all the meetings from your account. So here is the preview where you can see there are two tabs here, upcoming and previous. This is the upcoming meeting, and if I click on previous, you see the previous meetings that were held, and there is minimum 30 meetings listed here. So now I'll go to the design and show you how I'm fetching all those. So here is the repeating group where I'm using a API called list all meeting where it asks for authorization token. Then the type can be any. You can I have showed you here. This is the scheduled, live, upcoming meetings and previous meetings. Upcoming meetings will show you this upcoming meeting, and for previous you have to use previous meetings. That's how I'm showing both of them. Then the page size, you can show how many meetings should be in a page. Then there is page number. This will show you how many pages are there in which all the meetings are. So if you put page size as 20, so one page will be of 20 meetings, and like that you'll have all the page numbers. So for example, you have a total of 50 meetings. So first page will be 20, second page will be 20, and the third page will be 10. So there will be three page numbers. Then the next page. So if you are giving page size here, and according to that all the pages will be shown, and if you have to navigate to all the pages you need next page token, so that you will get in the API itself. So here it shows this list all meetings ID, host ID, topic and all. So these are all the properties in the API. So this is how you use list all meetings API. Thank you.